Do you like to have a close clean shave, but your sensitive skin stops you from doing that? With the Groomiist PSK06 6-in-1 complete grooming kit, you feel like to be in a salon at the push of a button. Whole 90-degree Groomiist shaver with double ring super speed foil and internationally patented triple track blade technology gives you a close clean shave. Clipper shapes your beard for the desired look you want. Massager smooths your tensed facial skin and makes you look charming. Body shaver removes undesired underarms body hair in just one swipe. Cleansing oil brush helps in gentle application of shaving creams, lotions and gels. Nose hair trimmer weeds out unattainable nasal hair to give you the super confidence.
Its LCD display communicates battery charge, cleaning status, and the travel lock function has universal voltage charging.
All these attachments are washable and can easily be slid into the obsidian smooth frame of this 6-in-1 shaver and trimmer. The Groomiist PSK06, the perfect companion for jet-setting the world in style. So, this one is enough.